Hey you guys, you know what, I have been drawing from ages and I took art seriously 4 years ago. It was just a normal day. I was indulged in my studies and I almost forgot that I could draw. And then one day I was talking with some friends online and one of them asked if I can draw something. Now, last time I drew was 5 years ago, and I did not touched any art supply since then, and I gave up on art because I'm an Asian, and according to my Asian family, art is for losers, and I should study and serve the country. Haha. So I stopped making art, and now, as the friend asked me to draw, I suddenly remember, oh, I can draw, damn. And that time anime was my favorite interest, was like what was my favorite thing. And of course, I made what a normal, typical anime fan will make, anime girl. And this is the drawing, by the way. And now, to be honest, it's not so bad. I mean, you can tell it's not my first time drawing. Of course, I have been drawing ever since I was a kid, but yeah, I gave up art and still it was like fine. So yeah, this was the story of I don't know why I gave this story to you, but yeah, it was this story. And now I'm not gonna redraw this one, but I'm gonna redraw this drawing and let's get started. Okay, so I already made the base. I'll just fill in the base colors right now, and of course the color selection is so different now. Like before I used to just pick the color from the reference and do that, but now of course I learn a lot, so I can and understand what color should I use according to my choice and my art style choice. And yeah, right now I'm just doing the shading stuff. Like, let me tell you, it's uh, I felt like okay, I think the previous art I was a bit too realistic, but it was good, it was not bad. But I think in the artistic sense, I developed a lot. Like, I think my artistic skills, my creative skills have improved a lot since last time, because before I used to just follow the reference and it wasn't artistic, but now it's actually quite artistic. I don't know what am I saying. I hope you understand what I mean. I mean, being artistic is fun, being creative is fun, and that's what I can see in my new piece. I think it's more artistic and less just a recreation of original art in my style. I mean, not in my style, but in just a cartoonish style. And like, to be honest, I think I have learned a lot. It's been 3 years since I last drew this art, and I think I actually learned a lot. There is a very difference in my coloring technique now, and a lot of difference in my way of choosing colors. And I mean, it's more creative than just simply replicating the reference, and I really like that about my new drawings. And I think that's the thing we all want to achieve as an artist. We want to put in our own watermark, our own personality, or like our own liking, or of course it will take time to get there, don't worry. Like, I have been drawing from 5 years almost, and yeah, like I have been drawing ever since I was kid. I already told you, but yeah, I took art seriously already 5 years ago, and now I have a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge of colors and stuff like that, like how to make a piece interesting and stuff. So you don't have to worry about rushing. Just take your time, okay? It's all fine, just take your time, you don't have to rush. And also, I love the way I drew eyes here. It's, I think, so colorful. I think in my new drawings you can see I like colorful things more. Like, I just like colors, different colors. It just looks good, and I'm not complaining. Now I can actually see where I am going with my drawings, where I am going with my art style, which is so good. Like after all these years of hard work, now I can finally say I am going and achieving the art style I always admired, the crazy colors and stuff like that. I think but yeah, there is still a long way to go. Of course we will keep improving every day, but yeah, I can say I am very proud of where I am right now in my art style journey. And there is nothing much better feeling than just achieving the art style you always wanted, trust me. And yeah, I can now see myself aiming for what kind of art style exactly I'm going for. I can see that picture in my brain, which is so good. I love that feeling.